We all have a passion, a spark within each of us that drives our very essence. It's what makes us feel alive, what gives us purpose and joy. It's what makes us us. This unique spark defines our individuality and connects us to others. Finding your passion is a journey, an adventure that unfolds over time. It's about uncovering that spark and letting it ignite, allowing it to light up our lives. Passion is not always obvious. Sometimes it takes deep reflection and exploration. It might be hidden beneath layers of expectations, societal pressures, and self-doubt, or buried under years of routine, lost in the monotony of daily life. But it's there, waiting to be discovered. Think of your childhood, those carefree days. What did you love to do? What activities brought you pure, unfiltered joy? What made time fly by, where hours felt like minutes? These early interests often hold clues, hints to our true passions. They can point us back to our true passions, guiding us to what truly matters. Remember, it's never too late. Your passion is waiting, ready to be rekindled. It's time to start searching, to embark on the journey of rediscovery and fulfillment. The first step is simple. Listen. Listen to your curiosity. It's a gentle nudge, a whisper that often goes unnoticed in the hustle and bustle of daily life. What are you drawn to? What sparks your interest, even in the smallest ways? Is it a particular object, a fleeting thought, or a moment that makes you pause? Do you find yourself lost in a particular section of the bookstore? Perhaps it's the history section, or maybe it's the art books that captivate you. Maybe you're captivated by a documentary on a topic you never knew existed. It could be about space exploration, ancient civilizations, or the wonders of the natural world. These are whispers from your inner voice. Pay attention. They are clues guiding you towards what truly resonates with you. Don't dismiss anything as silly or insignificant. Every small interest is a piece of the puzzle that makes up your unique passions. Sometimes our greatest passions hide in plain sight. They are woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, waiting to be discovered. We just need to be open to seeing them. Follow your curiosity. Let it lead you to new experiences and insights. It's your compass, guiding you towards your passions. Trust it, and let it show you the way to a more fulfilling life. Curiosity leads to exploration. It's time to get your hands dirty. Try new things. Take a class, join a club, volunteer your time. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. You might surprise yourself. You might discover a talent or a love you never knew you had. Think of Julia Child. She didn't discover her passion for cooking until her 30s. Now she's a culinary icon. It's never too late to start something new. Embrace the unknown. Each experience, successful or not, brings you closer to your passion. Section 4. Embrace the journey. Finding your passion is not a race, it's a journey. There will be detours, there will be roadblocks. You might feel lost at times. You might question yourself. It's okay. It's all part of the process. Remember, passion is not about perfection. It's about connection. It's about finding something that resonates with your soul, something that makes you feel truly alive. Embrace the ups and downs. Each twist and turn is leading you closer to your destination. Section 5. Live your passion. Finding your passion is only the first step. It's about discovering what truly makes you feel alive, what excites you, and what you can lose yourself in for hours. The real magic happens when you start living it. When you wake up every day with a sense of purpose and excitement, knowing that you are doing something that truly matters to you. Integrate your passion into your life. Make it a part of your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. It doesn't have to be your full-time job. It can be something you do in your spare time, a way to unwind and recharge. It can be a hobby, a side project, something that brings you joy and fulfillment, a way to connect with others. Sharing your passion with like-minded individuals can create a sense of community and belonging. When you live your passion, you inspire others. Your enthusiasm and dedication can motivate those around you to find and pursue their own passions. You bring joy into the world. Your passion can touch the lives of others, bringing happiness and inspiration. you become the best version of yourself. Living your passion helps you grow, learn, and become more confident in your abilities. So go out there and find your spark. Embrace the journey. Take risks, try new things, and don't be afraid to fail. And most importantly, live your passion. Make it a priority in your life and let it guide you towards a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. The world needs what you have to offer. Your unique talents and passions can make a difference, so don't hold back. Share them with the world